trying any of this? Ain't your bag? Alright, so look, we don't care what he's saying, right? Obviously. But today, we're finally sharing it. Obviously, you know, some things have changed since you was last here. Zach, as your friend, you know, I'm doing this and I'm putting my health on the line. And you can tell I listen to what you tell me. Because look, we ain't gonna talk about it, but you get the idea. You can see it, right? They can see it. I should start with this, right? Get this out of the way. Cause I don't want, cause this is probably bad. This is spiced tofu's vegetarian beef steak. All right, this is expired. It's expired about half a year ago. Just about. So he said he's been still eating it, but the difference is that, you know, Zach is Zach and I'm me. You know, by the name you can tell what I mean when I say that. But look, I don't know. What's that? You gotta put made in Japan. Hold on for some expired food. I ain't gonna lie, this is good.
They say Japanese snacks don't expire.
This shit definitely don't. It's good. You wanna try one? God damn, it's like biting into a fucking boat.
Ain't bad. It's edible.
Yeah. Tastes like steak.
Vegetarian.
Huh?
But to be vegetarian.
Yeah. I would give this a solid, I give it an 8. I really like this. This is calm. It's a nice little like beef jerky kind of. I never had beef jerky, but it's like a nice little chicken bite, but it don't taste like chicken. You get me? But it's straight. I like that. All right. I had to get that one out the way for the simple fact that it was. I wanted to check to see if it was gonna have some like mold on it, something like that. I wasn't trusting it like that. But next up. Now, he said that these didn't come properly. These came out as like dust or whatever. I don't know what this... Listen, I wish I could give you guys names. That's the only one that told me what it was. Alright? So, we're going to try this out. Get this. What the fuck? What is this? He just sending me shit. What is that? Hold on. It smells good, though. Hold on. It was good, then it lost me. Woo. Well, I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 10. It's almost good. Like it tastes like a Chico stick, but a Chico stick that kind of went bad. But then it also has like some other flavor to it. I ain't really fucking with. But I give this a 5 out of 10. All right. Now we're gonna try the other one. I'm not eating this. It's not. That one came formed. This one all crushed up and shit. What am I supposed to do with this? Drink it?
Eat it.
Drink it?
Just pour it in your mouth.
Here's like the last one. I only got 2 crumbs, but it was enough for me to say no. I don't really fuck with it like that. Oh. Okay. Damn, they don't play about their packaging. These motherfuckers is 4 tough. Jesus, you can't. That's why these shits don't expire. All right, this is what it look like coming in a buttercup. Hold on, this look good. It got a little, you know, to it. I like the way this feels. It's supple, like a. Yeah, I'm not fucking with that. No.
What is this supposed to be, like candy?
I don't know what it's supposed to be. I'm not fucking with it. I'm gonna finish this because you sent it, Zach. Yo. Oh my god.
Zach, I don't think your taste buds work no more.
Yeah, this shit just tastes like snack lotion. Gummy outside with Vaseline in the inside. I'm gonna give this I'm sorry, I gotta give this a 1 out of 10. I'm not giving this. I'll give it a 2 because I like the texture, but it just got the worst taste ever. Alright, I'm gonna finish that because of you, but I did not like that.
Eat the steak as a salad.
I should eat the steak as a salad. Now I'm about to eat these fucking fruity things. Let's go. It's right here.
It's supposed to be fruity thing.
Supposedly, yeah, exactly. This is jelly straw. I'm guessing you just dig in. Oh shit. That motherfucker said,
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
it was cool. You know what it tastes like?
What?
It's a little bit like Welch's grape soda, right? Mm-hmm. But it was sitting in a pocket with some nail polish. Like, it's cool.
That don't sound good at all.
I gotta fuck with it, but like, I ain't doing a backflip bar. Like, if this was sitting around, I wouldn't buy it. But if it was sitting around, I'd fuck with it. But this one like is made out of this is mayonnaise. I don't know. I'm not really liking the color in the inside either. He might have to keep these. I ain't like that.
You want to fuck with that?
I'm not. Mostly because of the color of it, the packaging. It just didn't. First of all, it didn't look right. It didn't feel right. I don't think I'm supposed to be eating that. All right. We got the coconut jelly. We're gonna use this. We're gonna eat this, and then we're gonna move on to the last bit of this video because this is a short video. Hold up. I feel like I'm in Jamaica already. This is coconut jelly. Let's go. Oh, nice. That's good. It's a 7. But as an overall for all of them together, I'm gonna have to bump it down to like a 6.5 though, because you can't just do them individually because they're pretty much all the same thing. But then I had that last one, which was kind of like a freaky pop. I wasn't fucking with it. It was like a mayonnaise pop. All right, so right here we have roasted eel, right? Roasted eels with spicy sauce. I don't know what the fuck he got going on.
I heard him.
You heard that
The
shit.
gunshot, yeah.
It's actually really good.
Tastes better than the smell.
Hell yeah. Let me try it with some rice though. I made some rice. Okay, with the little sauce on it, it's really good, honestly. Send me that. That's actually good. Hold on now. Listen, I'm about to learn how to speak Japanese just to read the ingredients. The fuck? Damn, I need that sauce. Alright, so right here we have Mama cup. It's a Mama cup. Freaky ass milk cup. With rice, vermicelli, shrimp. Oh, can't read. Shrimp creamy tom yum. Whoa, they ain't playing with this one. Just in case your boy was living outside with it. Forgot to get my fork from the motherfucking from the 7-Eleven. Alright. It's been officially 3 minutes. I put it exactly on the time that was asked. Alright, let's try it. I miss like the Bombay Bad Boy. Like, this has like a good flavor, right? I just don't like the fucking noodle. The noodles is like, it's like really stringy, right? And it's like 6 billion of them. It's like I'm eating like a soup filled with a ponytail. Like, you could really fix somebody's jacket with this shit. A bigger noodle, I fucking like it a lot more, but I get it's like a 5. I don't like my noodles to be difficult. This is like extra hard level fucking ramen. It actually get caught in your teeth. But I give it a 6. I give it a 6. It's not, you know. But that that vegetarian beefsteak shit, these little strawberries, the straw shit, and that Jello cup, he got like a, out of all of them, this is a successful, I would say success. Zachy did good. Guys, go visit ZachMax.com if you guys did want anything welded, like if you guys wanted like a special metal piece, like of your liking or whatever it is, you can, hit up Zach at ZachMax.com. You can also follow him here on Instagram or here on Twitch. Or, if you want me to harass him, just say yes just type yes in the comment section. And I'll harass him. But guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully there will be more videos soon. All in all, guys, catch you guys in the next one, okay?